Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Site Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen password using your Samsung Galaxy phone. So what you want to do is go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down. Now most people are probably getting this little step wrong. They're going to see lock screen and think that's where they need to go. You want to go to security and privacy instead. Choose this. Then the first option under here is lock screen. This is the lock screen option we want to go to. Choose this. Type in your current PIN or password. Now you got to decide which one you want. PIN, password, pattern, or swipe. This offers no security. So most of the time I just do a pattern. It's just the easiest to unlock. Or a PIN could be easy too. Just type in some sort of PIN there. So let's try a PIN. Whatever it might be. 11111. Now you got to be careful because it's hard to see what it is, and I don't think it confirms it. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to continue, so you can change the PIN or use anyway. So if you type in the wrong PIN, you might forget it, is what I'm getting at, because it's hard to not type in too many letters. So let's go to a password. This one's pretty standard. But once you have it set, it's going to be changed now on your lock screen. So I just like that pattern. This is the easiest. So come up with something like creative that people won't be able to just guess. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.